Alright, so we skipped one to get to this one. If you look up at the top, there's some nice fish scales and some other design up there as well. You can see it's got a full porch down here on the front of it. There's some paper up there, I don't know what that's about. Then there's this little tiny porch patio up there at the top. Got a little table, a couple chairs, and a ceiling fan up there if you notice. I don't see a ceiling fan on this bottom one. But it's got brick there, that's white, they painted it. And but it's a good color house. I like the full porch. And I don't see any kind of, you know, symbols or plaques or anything on it like that, so it's not a survivor. But it is a cute house, so worth showing. Alright, we've crossed over 17th Street now. And you see this house here, the sun is a little bad, but I know you still catch some good details. See the wrought iron there. Got the dual stairs here. And a nice porch up there, ceiling fan. Really good color. I definitely like the color. But you see that, see? Stairwell here. Stairwell right there. And then it all goes up. And the front porch up there. But like I said, really nice color. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of design to it, but it's a very calming color, very relaxing, and that porch is nice. I mean, it's a lot of stairs to climb, I will grant you that, and I know that, but overall, still a good looking place. I like it anyway. And the door up there, hard to tell from down here, but it looks like it's kind of a dark red in nature, and it's got a little window there at the top of it. Okay, so first of all, pay attention to that, and you might be asking what's for sale. That. No idea the price or anything else, but I'm sure it's a ton of money. But boy, what a beautiful place, huh? Black and white. Really nice columns, up and down. Even got, what, 5 windows up there at the very, very top. And got this little cement wall right here. Got a pelican sitting on it right there. Got a couple of lights there, and got one single one up there at the top door. It's a beautiful place. That truly is a beautiful place. So wow, I definitely approve of that. Don't you? I know this one you can see. I mean, I'm just shooting it because it's just cute looking. So they got a brand new fence on it. Got new rails on it over there. Not too much to show here. Just cute, so I wanted to bring it to you. They got the trees covered up there for the winter. Alright, I need to capture this one just because it's so different. I mean, look on the side over there and on the far left side there. It is stucco, and then it's got some brick along with a little porch, and then some siding up there at the top, and this little fence. So to be honest with you, I don't know what to make of it, but it is just different enough that I've got to capture it and bring it to you. And you see, I guess it's 2 separate places, yeah, because it's got this fence here. So you see, they painted that brick a darker brownish type of a color, and then the stucco really stands out against it. So certainly different. I'll let you judge as to good, bad, or indifferent. So here's a cute house. Got a garage on it here, you can see. Good color. Like the steps. Got a no soliciting thing up there, but it's not a survivor or nothing like that. But it's a cute house. I like the color. I like the style. Like the shutters it's got. That's nice. So not a bad place at all. Alright, so we have surpassed 15th Street now. And we come across this beauty. And you can see she's got a lot of good features. I like the little oval window up there, half arched, whatever you might want to call that, I guess. Got a few little flowers still over there on the plants across the fence. This is a survivor. You see up there, it's got it on the left of the door. I'll zoom in for a second and show that to you so you can see that. Got some really good little details to this house. Nice color, got that beachy feel and beachy look. Don't you agree? And with the fence there, I mean, that just adds to it. Alright, so this house needs some paint on the side and stuff, but the front is so different. That dark green, and then that yellow, and then the red, and all these pink flowers. Look at those things. Aren't those gorgeous? Again, remember, this is January the 17th, okay? We're in the middle of winter, literally. And this place does some good details. You know, does it need some love? Yes, it does. Absolutely. But, you know, I'm sure the fence needs finished. The stairs need redone. Need a little paint on the side. Other than that, honestly, this place is a gold star, okay? It's an absolute gold star. Hope you like it. Alright, we got this house here. And you can see it's got really nice color. I like the they've used lighter shades of the green, the mint, I think I'm going to call it, as a Survivor. So if you look up here on this side of the door, you'll see the symbol there. It's a good looking little house. Got a porch. Not a lot of detail and stuff to it, but it's just cute and it's beachy. So I really like that about it. And right next door we have this one. And you can see, again, it is my collar. Look at the detail, if you can see it up there on the side of that window up there. That's pretty cool and pretty different, I gotta tell you. Alright, so this little house right here, this is the one I lost my battery on. It died shooting this house right here. I had to walk back 7 blocks that way to get the car, and I drove it back down this way to get my batteries. So I'm in good shape again. But you can see, it's a cute little house. I really like it, and I hope you do too. And I hope you think it's worth a walk. You know, this one I have to add to the video just because it's 1313. You know, so if you know, you know. You gotta think about the monsters. This one next door to it, I think they've gone a little bit insane with, you know, decorations, all that good stuff. But, you know, there it is. St. Luke Missionary Baptist Church. Look at all the stained glass in this thing. You can't get nothing out of this salvation wise, but here it is. It's definitely a different looking building, and the doors are a different design with the glass over top there, and identical doors, everything on this side, and you see all the way up. Okay, this one I just had to bring to you because, man, look at the standout. I mean, the light blue, the yellow shutters, and then the red door and the red porch. I mean, this house definitely stands out in that regard. So I needed to bring that to you. Okay, I've come a little ways before I've come across this one, and it's definitely worthy of shooting. You can see it's got a nice color, light pink. Those aren't really fish scales per se, but if you look up there at the top of that in there, see there's multicolored glass in there. And it's got a really nice design all the way up there at the top. Nice light. Here, let me show you this. That would be its address, of course. There's the staircase. I don't know, something tells me this is probably an Airbnb. But maybe I'm wrong on that. I don't know. But it is a good looking place, and look at this monkey. His legs are going crazy on him. But I like this one. I'm at 12th Street and L on the other side now, so I'm working my way back. Okay? You see the place there. All this stuff. Look at this. This place has got a lot of stuff in it. I mean, even down here at the bottom, look at this. And then they even have a little stone design right there. Alright, so this is different. That's the house. Pretty wild to have all this stuff here. Right, first of all, we've got this beautiful tree here. And then right there you see the house that tree's in front of. So I like the color of the house, of course. It's got that beachy vibe to it. Got the American flag on it. We'll walk out here on the street. And then, I mean, it's got a transom on it. So it's a cute little house. I like it. Not bad looking. Okay, if you know me any about these houses, you know that the yellow catches my eye, and the full wide front porch. So that's all it takes for me to be sold. Hope you enjoy it too. Alright, this place here is apparently 7 different apartments. I see 3 different doors, so I'm sure there's some around the back too, but you can see there's 7 mailboxes there. But I mean, it's a nice looking place. I like all the detail around it there. The curved staircase going up on both sides. So it's a good looking place. So whoever lives here in the 7 different places, they got a nice place to be. I like the color on this house. It's a good color. It's got a really nice metal roof up at the top. It's got the little porch, and it looks like it is a storm survivor. Here, I'll get you over this way. If you look right up to the right of the door, right in there, you'll see the plaque right there. And it's got a really nice door on it too. So I'm sure you can see that from here. And then there's the roof right there. And a couple of swings on the side of it. Looks like a good little place. Okay, so this one's got all these beautiful trees here. You can see all of them. It's got the double porches on it. Good color. Got some good details up at the top. And there, if you look. And at the bottom, porch as well on the top. Nice gate, nice fence. I like that. And pretty nice store too. Okay, just thought I'd show you that over there. That's a Mexican restaurant. But right up here shows you where we are at Avenue L and 16th Street. I wanted to show you a few houses here in a row. You see this one? It's a good looking house, good looking color. Where it sticks out over there. Not exactly a bay window, but it is sort of up there at the top on the 2nd floor. Got some really good details. You look all the way up there at the top, and then even on the top of the porch. It's got some nice detail to it. And right next door, you see you got this blue one. And it too's got the part that sticks out back there on the side. And it's got some various different details on it too. So that part looks good. And they got some wind chimes or something up there. And then this one here is a good looking place too. So I just crossed over 17th Street and just ran across this one here. And you can see it too. It's got the dual staircase here. It goes on up. Looks like it's all concrete. Shaped like a craftsman style to me. Looks like a pretty good place. And then this one, ooh, it's got the fish scales up to the top up there. So you know I like the fish scales. And then nice colors. Fish scales all at the top, at the windows up there. So those look pretty. So you like that. And then this next one, you see pink color, like that. Got a nice door. And some detail on the windows. And the oval windows in the door with the transom there. So that's pretty nice. Not sure I can take a picture of that though. Okay, and then on this one, look at all the fish scales here at the bottom and all at the top here. Really like those. The two's got that kind of craftsman style look to it. Got some brick columns on it. And then just a regular roof. But it's got a nice fence here, so that's good. And then the porch, of course. So I like it. Alright, so you can see cute little house with the yellow, of course. Got really nice detail on the porch right there. Railings and little columns and things. So I like that. And of course, you know, color always catches your mind. It's got this tree here as well. So I like all. Okay, this one here is a very bold color choice, I have to say. I kind of like it actually. I wouldn't think I would, to be honest, but I don't know. There's something about it. I think it's just the design, to be honest. And you've got the green color, but then you've got these, I don't know, reddish purples type colors in there for the details, and of course the X's in there. And then you got a really, really nice door up there with a good looking light. And then the stairs, and they've put all of the colors on those to match it all up together. So overall, I'd have to say very good job. Crossed over 18th Street and ran across this. First of all, of course, the trees really catch me. Then you got this house setting back in them. This is a survivor. Got that nice light up there. Nice little gate there. A different type of a door. It is a Survivor. If you look up right there, you'll see. I'll try to zoom in on it just to make sure you can see it. And it's got the 2 dormers at the top. A little fountain there with pineapple on it. I'm just trying to back up and get you. Yeah, you see, pretty nice setting, right? Hope you like it. Alright, we want to start with looking at these tiles here. You can see the regular sidewalk comes up on us, and then more tile work right there. And there is the beautiful house that it leads you to. You see that color? Again, it's that beachy color. Got really good details all along here. And the railing with the X's top and bottom. The doors are almost naked type doors. I think they work. I like the archways in them real well. Of course, got the American flag right there. Just a few stairs, so that's a good thing. And then, of course, got the 2 porches. No complaints here. I'm going to add this one to the video. It's the last one I'm going to be shooting on L Street. I'm not going to take a picture of it. I'll show you why in a minute, but you can see it's got really nice detail to it. And the biggest thing about it, honestly, is it is a storm survivor. And again, right up here, there, is the plaque for it. So it does have some nice details in the railings and everything, but that survivor makes it. But look here, with all these cars and these palm trees and stuff, I could not get a picture to represent that house in any angle, shape, way, or form. So it just makes the video.